of a mighty stunner. And Pablo coming back with another video, man. Look on the channel, my boy channel, man. Shout out my channel too, mighty stunner, man. You already know what's going on, bro.
Subscribe to the channel. We're going about 2021. Not only mine, subscribe to his channel too, man. Some of y'all just be watching, man. Y'all hit that subscribe button. Y'all only support all the way.
Appreciate it.
Pablo Savage 392, man. Y'all boy check him out on YouTube, man.
Yes, sir. Yes,
really
sir.
Going on, boy. You the face of Jacksonville, Florida in the YouTube shit, man.
Damn, appreciate that, gang.
Yeah, man. I big love, bro.
Appreciate that, bro. Just, yeah, you working, man. You working. Hey, y'all feel this. Real New York.
Real City, the best live podcast ever. That's about this coast. Period out here. Deal with it, man.
Hi, mama. You alright? True, chitty, man. Look at these guys.
You have your camera, and I ain't got my camera.
Look, cause we working, baby. We working. Alright, man. Yes, sir, man. Finally caught that boy, man.
That's your vlog,
Yes, man. You already know the building, man. We just out here in Tampa turning up for him. You gotta check out Trey, man. He came from that cat thing, so you gotta check out Florida.
Jacksonville, Florida.
Yes, sir.
Put on the show, man.
Bruh, I just looked at the car, man. Yeah, you big props. All through the coast, man. I know you shit, bro.
I appreciate it. Y'all know what the fuck it is, man. It's your boy CJL32 out here, man. 32K.
Yes, sir. Appreciate y'all, boys. Pablo.
We out here with Pablo Savage 392, man. Really activated out here, really giving y'all that content. Last time I seen him, it was in a different city, man, in a different state. So he giving y'all that real stuff. Make sure y'all still locked in with him. Subscribe to the channel. Follow him on his social media, man. And when you see them ads, just try and have something else to do because he's giving y'all content, so he also got to generate some income coming off of it. So
I ain't got time for you to watch.
Subscribe to Pablo Savage right now. Your mama's a hoe. Also, I'm coming to your house. I'm gonna take your dog. I'm gonna rename it. He's gonna be my bitch. He's gonna sit outside. I'm not even gonna keep him. He's not gonna be an inside dog.
You can't be saying shit like that. You gotta say shit like we gonna fuck
I don't
you
care.
up.
Yeah, this is distraction, bro. I told you I was crazy, bro. I told you.
That's on your channel?
Yeah.
I always say this at the end of our videos. Can I say it?
Yeah. Wait.
We gotta do this. I'm gonna fuck with you.
We out here with Pablo Savage 392. You know what it is. You gotta chop that up so it work out better.
I see the guy, Mike, the famous.
We from, bro?
Jacksonville. I'm here with Gerald.
Yo, Jackson's in the building heavy, bro.
Yes, sir.
Y'all
Came to hang out a little bit.
we had a good Jacksonville showed up big last night. Jacksonville put on for your city. Jacksonville.
Everybody, I want everybody to do better in life.
Come on.
I want everybody to succeed. So that's where it should be going. That's how I drive. That's how I move. But man, huge shout out to Pablo. Is it Pablo?
Pablo, like Pablo.
Escobar. Okay.
Yes.
The reason why I said that because I'm not used to seeing a lot of black Pablo. This is the only one I know.
Exactly.
Thank you. But it's the only Pablo. So I want to make sure, you know, black people, I got these big old lips. I try to say words wrong. I just want to make sure I said it right, man. But huge shout out to you. Hey, huge shout out.
Cool. Look, I see you, bro. You alright? Shout it out, man.
Knockout 360, man.
what up, man?
I pull up on Uncle Stunner,
Y'all know what it is, man. Your boy Stunner Rich, man, out here, man. Pablo, you know what I'm saying? Doing it big out here. Y'all know what it is, man. Go ahead and tune into the channel. Let's go.
Sir. Hey, man.
This thing sound like some kind of Mexican gang.
No. I like that. Slime Nation. That's you. You know you gotta make it unique to your thing. You know what I'm saying? But while y'all here, y'all watching this handsome young fella right here, and you know what I'm saying? Come on over here, Pablo Savage 392, man. You know what I'm saying?
Got a website now. What can they do?
Oh, PabloSavage.com. You see, this a piece of it.
You good? Hey, man, y'all see what it is, man. It's Black Santa himself, man. We giving out free cars, paying your rent, telling you about the most high, all that, bro, and letting you know so you can change, bro, your story. I got a backstory, man, but we out here with them guys. Hey,
Pablo Savage 392.
big dogs right there. Don't play with them.
sir.
Hey, they gonna do this. They gonna.
Came from that cat thing, so you gotta check out Florida.
Jacksonville, Florida.
Yes, sir.
Put on the show, man.
Bruh, I just looked at the car, man. Yeah, you big props. All through the coast, man. I know you shit, bro.
Okay, Pablo, hey, man, listen. We got Pablo Savage 392 out here, man, activated in the streets. He in Dallas right now, giving y'all that content y'all need. Make sure y'all subscribe to this thing, though. You know what I'm saying? Look at him, man. He out here getting it in. Yeah, Dumb Master vs. Demonology coming soon. I got Demonology, man. I ain't gonna hold you, you know what I'm saying? Mopar, no car. That's what I'm living for. And we're gonna get it poppin', man. Stay tuned to the channel, man, because this action is non-stop. Yes, sir.
For sure.
You better come to my dinner.
That's my birthday, so we gotta really go in.
What's your birthday?
October 20th.
What you wanna do? I'll set it up.
Ooh.
You support me, I support you. What you wanna do?
Shit, that don't matter.
What club you wanna go to?
Well, we went Tiger last time, didn't we?
I got booked to be there. That's different. If I, like, you know, I'm a DM you.
All right. Shout it out though one time. Tell them what the big gang shit.
Boy, Pablo. Savage. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Make sure you know what the fuck going on. We drop these fingers back to back. Keep dropping back to back, right?
Every day.
Period. Every day.
Hit him with that thing one time.
Man, you already know the dealio, Martilio. I hope you guys enjoy. Go down and smash the like button if you haven't already. Then subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss another banger from Pablo Savage 392.
Hey! I'm about to let y'all hear the GOAT do it one more time. Hit him with it.
You already know the dealio, Martilio. Make sure y'all go down and smash that like button if you haven't already. Then subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any more bangers. We traveling all 2021. Then we're going to be up on top of the clouds 2022. No cap. So stay tuned. We're going to catch y'all in the next one.